everybody. In this short tutorial, we're going to see how to split our shapefile by using Model Builder's iteration function. And this split operation will be based on our zones, and we can quickly check our attribute table and see we have 6 different land use zones, and we want to save each and every polygon as a different shapefile. And instead of just selecting each one at a time and do this tedious task on our own, we want our model to handle this job for us. So the first thing is to go to Model Builder tab and create a new model. And we're going to use our zoning layer. So I'm just dragging and dropping it. And as I mentioned, we're going to use iteration, and we are going to iterate based on field value. As we've seen, it's going to be the ID. So I'm going to select my model variable zoning, and I'm going to select the ID field. And I'm going to leave the data type and the other values as it is for the time being. As you can see, we just got our iteration function. Very nice. So since we have the tool now, I would like to select each polygon one by one. And in order to do that, I have to get select layer by attribute. And I can just drag and drop. Oops. Oh, I would have it. Great. I'm double clicking. The input variable will be zoning, and it's going to be new selection each and every time. And the selection will be based on not feature ID, but the ID, the zone ID, and it will be equal to the value that is going to be the iteration value each and every time. Let me just lay out my diagrams and make it out of it, and I can just unpin this for the time being. Move myself around. Okay, I think this is better. All right, and let's see what we have. And this is going to be our selected zone, so let's rename it as selected zone. So we have the iteration, now we have the selected zones. The only thing that I need to do is to create a different layer from each and every single feature which was selected, and it will be copy feature. And I'm going to just add the copy features. Oops. Okay, one more time. Yeah. Think. Yes. Why? It's maybe I added several times. Let's check. It resists to come. I don't know why. Let's try from here. Okay, great. And close this. And now the selected zone will be the copy feature, and this time I want them to be saved as in my specific folder, but each and every time I want to be get their name as a zone as the ID value. Okay, and let's auto layout. Okay, let's summarize what we have in our model, right? Okay, I have a zone shapefile, zoning shapefile, which consists of several polygons, 6 polygons specifically, and I'm going to iterate through those polygons, and based on each attribute feature, a new zone will be created, named and saved as zone value. Okay, let's validate our model and run. So as you can see, for each ID, it's first selected and copied, and selected and copied, and it seems fine. And let's see if we have the files correctly. Yes, I have 6 zones, but let's see those files in our map. Image 1. And as you can see, I can just remove this, and as visible here, I have 6 different zones saved as separately, and by just using a model.